Hey everyone, want to add new files to an existing RAR or zip archive without creating a completely new archive? WinRAR makes it easy to update an existing archive and add additional files or folders. In this full guide, I'll show you how to add files to an existing archive with WinRAR in 2026, step by step. So let's get started. First, open File Explorer and locate the RAR or zip archive you want to update. Make sure you have access to the archive and that you have enough storage space for the additional files. Now double-click the archive to open it in WinRAR. You'll see the files and folders that are already stored inside the archive. Next, open another File Explorer window and locate the files or folders you want to add. You can select one file, multiple files, or an entire folder. One of the easiest methods is to simply drag the selected files into the open WinRAR window. Drop them inside the archive, and WinRAR will prepare them to be added. You can also use WinRAR's Add button. Click Add, browse to the files you want to include, select them, and confirm your selection. If WinRAR displays archive update options, review them before continuing. For simply adding new files, the default settings are usually enough. If you're replacing files that already exist in the archive, pay attention to the update mode so you don't accidentally keep an older version. Once you've selected the files, click OK to update the archive. WinRAR will add the new files and rebuild the necessary archive data. After the process finishes, check the archive contents. Make sure the newly added files appear in the correct location and that their names and sizes look correct. If your existing archive is password protected, WinRAR may ask for the password before allowing you to modify or extract protected content. Enter the correct password and continue with the update. Before modifying an important archive, consider making a backup copy first. Also avoid changing the archive while another program is using it, and make sure you have enough free disk space for the update. And that's how to add files to an existing archive with WinRAR in 2026. Whether you're adding documents, photos, videos, or entire folders, you can update an existing archive without starting from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.